So we're working with another company in Gaza to create a greenhouse. So recently in the floods, their greenhouse was badly damaged, and the work that they were doing, veranda design, was essential work, which was basically growing agricultural kits and providing those to families in Gaza so they could, have enough calories for themselves. Unfortunately, when the winter storms hit, their greenhouse was badly damaged. So we're developing a way. We're designing, along with another structural engineer local to Buffalo. We're designing a greenhouse that is weather resistant, is rain resistant, and is flood resistant. So next time, if this happens, next year when the winter storms come around, their greenhouse will be strong enough to resist this, and they can continue doing that good work. We're also in the arena of electricity. So a pedal generator is nothing new, but we're creating an educational way to so people in certain contexts can build pedal generators. So if solar energy is not an option, pedal energy is an option, and we're finding ways that pedal energy is accessible to everyone. All it needs is someone to get on the bike and start pedaling. We're trying to find ways to eliminate the losses, using the friction that are involved in the traditional way to make a pedal generator. By using an electric bike, we're looking into different projects that, for example, Russian engineers did and trying to replicate their work. We're working on, in many communities, um, the way that they have medical records and they distribute the medical records to other people is basically through paper, and they don't have a medical records department. In these communities, the patients are relied upon to carry their medical records from one doctor to another. And often this does not happen. Often this leads to very fatal mistakes, such as the doctor not knowing, basic things like the patient allergies, and results in very preventable deaths. We're working on ways to create a decentralized data management system where um, where these communities can have, instead of relying on a data center and the internet, they can have an intranet and local, cheaper servers that are in their community and they have control of, and they can upload their medical documentation. Other projects are also in the realm of transportation. We think drones have enormous potential because they are autonomous. They're able to lift, more weight, and they're able to travel pretty quickly. And they're also can be powered by renewables. So in the arena of transportation, this is enormously potential. Especially, think about a situation where a person is in a rural community and they have to travel to an urban center to get the medications for their parents. They have to waste gas, they have to waste diesel, they have to waste time to get this medication. Imagine if there was an autonomous drone that did this for you, that was powered by renewable energies. So, we have a team working on that as well. So all it takes is studying the situation in a very fresh and honest way, having the willpower that, no, I will help, my work will be useful. And then third, you have to think outside the box. You have to use your imagination and creativity. And if these three things are combined, that's inshallah the Nushra method.